Hello, great to have you with us on ERi-TV. This is English News Broadcast live from the headquarters in Asmara at exactly 10:30 p.m. First, the top stars. Seminar on controlling sexually transmitted diseases. Seminar on low and harmful practices. Russia tests fires nuclear-capable ballistic missile. Australia firefighters battle multiple blaze south of Perth. The Ministry of Health branch in the Gashbarka region held seminar to residents of Bimbina administrative area, focusing on developing the understanding of the public in controlling sexually transmitted diseases. Mr. Sultan Hagos, head of promotion and information at the branch office in the subzone, stressed the importance of raising public awareness about sexually transmitted diseases in order to control their prevalence. Mr. Sultan went on to say that while the prevalence of HIV/AIDS infection has significantly decreased as a result of sustained awareness-raising activities, more work is still needed to completely eradicate the diseases. The head of the subzone's office branch, Nurse Takhla Zawengel, called for the introduction of volunteer counseling and stated that the seminar will significantly lessen the pressure on medical facilities. Speaking at the event, the subzone administrator, Mr. Kahsai Asrat, advocated for holding comparable seminars in the other subzone areas. Seminar focusing on developing the understanding of the public on low and harmful practices was conducted to junior and high school students in Logo Ansaba subzone on 3rd of November. Briefings on detrimental habits that negatively impact women's health and reduce crimes and offenses were given at the seminar that was arranged in collaboration with National Union of Eritrean Women and the local police. The head of the union branch, Mrs. Tsagaweni Gabrasilase, urged parents to abstain from the practice of underage marriage, stating that it is having a negative impact on female students' enrollment in schools. The head of the subzone police station, Kor Yahya Omar, urged the students to uphold the noble societal values and abstain from crimes and offenses, emphasizing that ignorance of the law does not make one free from accountability. The students also urged for the seminar sustainability, saying that it will significantly advance their grasp of problems presented. We are live on ERi-TV. Stay tuned for international news. Russia said it has successfully test-launched an intercontinental ballistic missile capable of carrying nuclear warheads from one of its submarines. The launch of the Bulva missile, the first in just over a year, comes as Russia ramps up nuclear rhetoric since revoking its ratification of key nuclear test ban treaty. According to the Defense Ministry, the new nuclear-powered strategic missile submarine cruiser Emperor Alexander III has successfully launched the Bulva sea-based intercontinental ballistic missile. It said it fired the undersea missile from undisclosed location in the White Sea on its northwest coast to a target thousands of kilometers away on the Far East. The 12-meter-long Bulva missile was designed to be the backbone of Moscow's nuclear trade and has a range of over 8,000 kilometers. The West has accused Moscow of using reckless nuclear rhetoric since it launched its offensive against Ukraine last February. Out-of-control bushfire are continuing to put lives and homes at risk as fire raids in Bushland, southeast of Perth. An emergency warning is in place for people bound by Scrap Road and Day Road to the north, Kingsbury Drive to the east, Scrap Road to the west, and Carnage Prison Farm to the south, excluding the Jarrett town site. Homes within the emergency warning are under threat. If the way is clear, residents are being advised to leave now for a safe place. If they cannot leave, they should get ready to shelter in their homes. The serpentine blaze started during lightning storm near the Spurting Dam yesterday, about 55 kilometers southeast of Perth, and as of today is estimated to cover 2,000 to 300 hectares of land. Now we have a quick review of the top stories. Don't go away. Seminar conducted on controlling sexually transmitted diseases. Seminar on low and harmful practices. Russia tests fires nuclear-capable ballistic missile. Australia firefighters battle multiple blaze south of Perth. That was all with the news for tonight. Thank you for being with us. Have a good night.